Ay, maana. Amo gali. Hello, my dear Earthlings toy fans. This is John, and welcome to my vlog. But first of all, let's wear our pair of gloves. Just bear with me, because this is my first vlog, and I don't know if there's any second vlog.
A few moments later.
Start our unboxing. As you can see, the front of the box, the right side, the back side, and the left side. And again, the front of the box with Hasbro brand and Grimlock name. Underneath of the box, there's an authentic name with Transformer logo. And then the top side of the box. This is the premiere edition of Hasbro Transformers Grimlock, The Last Night. In front of the box also, they put the picture of Grimlock in dinosaur form. Now, let's unbox. Out from the box, we can see that Grimlock is in robot form. Now, let's transform him into dinosaur form. this is Grimlock in his dinosaur mode. As you can see, the figure looks awesome in this form, and in his right leg you can see the Autobots logo. And this figure is long when you add the weapon to his tail. Now let's review Grimlock in his robot form. The figure is made up of plastic but doesn't feel cheap. The paint is done with a glossy finish. The joints are made up of metals, and then the moldings done very good and detailed. You will notice also that some of Grimlock's armor are painted dark brown and the others are painted black. And his dinosaur hand is located on his waist. And the color of his weapon is dark bluish green. And his dinosaur head is divided into two and located into his shoulder. And now, let's bring the other transformer, which is Leadfoot. As you can see, Leadfoot is below Grimlock's elbow. Height of Leadfoot is below Grimlock's elbow. And this is the Anchor Soundcore Mini 2, and the height of this speaker is at the level of Grimlock's knees. And now I can tell that I really like this figure, and this is my second action figure, Transformer action figure, and I'm happy that I purchased this thing, and I will add this figure to my collections.